Hi, this is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and these are Acer TravelMate X5 laptops, which were unveiled in March, but here we are in April. It's my first chance to get it up close and personal with them. They're thin and light computers aimed at business class customers, sell for about $1,100 and up, and what's really kind of the most remarkable thing about them is a little bit hard to show on video, but I'm going to try to give you a sense of it. It's just how thin and light they are. They're about 0.6 inches thick, weigh about a little bit less than 2.2 pounds, and it's the sort of thing where you pick it up and you almost can't believe that there's all the hardware inside that there really is on the inside. But it is a full-fledged laptop that just happens to have a magnesium, lithium, and magnesium alloy chassis, and it's kind of hard to open with one hand as I'm demonstrating here. You can see we've got a backlit keyboard, a full HD screen. It's a 14-inch screen, which is a little bit larger than you get on some thin and lights. And yeah, so I mean, it's a really pretty compact notebook, but it has all the features that you would expect. Well, there's not a lot of ports on this side. We've just got a headset jack and a Kensington lock port. On the other side, we actually have full-size HDMI, 2 full-size USB ports, and a USB Type-C port, as well as a power jack. And I'm realizing in the lighting you might not see that very well, so here we get a slightly better look at it. It's got a matte display. I think touch is maybe optional. This version doesn't seem to have touch. But 14-inch, full HD. We've got a fingerprint sensor here below the keyboard. Again, with the lighting here, let's do it from that angle. Backlit keyboard, full QWERTY keys, nice large touchpad. And I don't know why the caps lock is on there. Overall responsiveness is pretty good. As I said, it's a matte screen, so when we're in this sort of bright light here, you don't get a lot of glare per se. You can see that we're sort of getting a reflection there, but it's not the same sort of reflection that we would get off of a surface like, say, a shiny phone. The bezels are about 1/3 of an inch thick, supports 802.11ac Wi-Fi, and it has a starting with a Core i5-8265U Whiskey Lake processor. It's available with up to a Core i7, I believe, up to 16 gigs of RAM, up to 512 gigs of storage. And overall, it's just it's a really kind of nice portable laptop at a time when Acer's really sort of focusing on high-end machines, including gaming PCs and PCs for creatives with high-power processors. This is much more of a portable device that's not meant necessarily for high-end content creation, but should offer long battery life, compact design with a 15-watt processor, and you know, something that you can just sort of use, throw in your bag and use with you on the go. The fact that it's got the full-size HDMI port in addition to a USB Type-C port is also kind of nice. So that is just sort of a quick look at the Acer TravelMate X5, which was, again, introduced in March and should be available this summer or in June for about $1,100. It joins the new TravelMate P6, which you can find in another video that I've got at Liliputing.com as one of the new compact business class machines. And I'll just give you a quick look over here. This is the TravelMate P6, which also has an 8th gen Intel Core i7 processor. This version has a shutter over the camera. It's a little bit thicker, a little bit heavier. Has a fingerprint sensor built into the power button, and that should also be coming in June for a little bit more, I believe. So again, you can find more details about these laptops and other new devices from Acer at Liliputing.com, or check out my YouTube channel for more videos of the latest computers from Acer. This is Brad Linder with Liliputing.com.